BAD 1335, welcome to the last week of your short winter session. So this week we're going to cover two modules, modules 8 and 9. Module 8, which is due on Wednesday night, you're going to review chapters 12 and 13. That's where you're going to further your knowledge on reports. You're going to look at completing an exercise and doing a short report that's going to help you lay the foundation of your professional writing in the future. One of the items you're going to look at this week is including data from an Excel spreadsheet into your report. So be sure to review the Excel spreadsheet tutorials and make sure that you understand the full assignment before you submit M8A3 short informational report. So why do we use data from Excel, and how can we convert that data into information? So when we do things such as a weighted distribution matrix, we're going to take information that we collect or we assign to different things and then compare it and do some calculations to give us information that we didn't have to begin with. Many of you may go through this exercise and you've probably never even thought about the mechanics of how you get to a decision. You just make a decision and you move forward from it. But think about complex situations, something that you would think is as simple as purchasing a car. What all goes into that? What things are important to you, and how do you weight those? Is it color? Is it size? Is it cost? Is it horsepower? Is it gas mileage? Those types of things. All of those things may be important, but they're not equally important. So when we look at exercises like a weighted decision matrix using Excel, it allows us to apply those weights and then impact the score. So for instance, if you have a category that has a weight of only 15% out of the total, such as capacity, seating capacity, whether I get a vehicle that seats 4 people or 6 people, may be important but not as important, so I may assign it a weight of 15%. So out of your score of 100, if it gets a perfect score and you apply that weight, then the actual weighted score would be 15. 0.15 times 100 would be 15. That's very easy to understand, but it gets more complex when you get to scores like 83, and then you start applying that math. So use an Excel spreadsheet to help you do that. Module 9 assignments are due on Sunday night, and in that module you're going to complete your group presentation and also your group member evaluations. Be sure to thoroughly review your presentation requirements and include all areas in there. Also remember that once I've received all of the member evaluations, then I'll go back and adjust the individual scores on the group member project based on that member's participation in the group. So if the group even gets 100% on their presentation and you didn't participate, then I will go back and adjust that grade to a 0 for you. So I know this has been a very fast-paced semester, but I hope you've discovered some information and methods for improving your communication skills in the workplace that'll help you in your professional life. I enjoyed having each of you in this class and look forward to seeing you in future classes and wish you well in your future endeavors. Thank you.